sickness in the system that needs to be cleansed, that needs to be eliminated and neutralized. Matagal na si Trillanes na nag-aakusa kay Duterte. He's consistent with his beliefs. Pero ang nakikita lang ng tao, kinigisa yung unlikely, likable figure of Duterte being accused of stuff ng mga kaalyado ng pinabagsak na administrasyon ng mga Aquino. At, the resentment of the sentiment laban sa tuwid na daan ni Aquino does not necessarily transfer, lalo na kahit na sa mga decency, decorum, walang paki ang tao doon dahil they voted for Duterte, a populist candidate, vowing to remove everything from the status quo at mag-start from scratch for the people. And that's the sad thing. Kahit na nasa tama ka, kung nakikita lang ng tao sa'yo ay puro reklamo,